Yep, it cleared up. No more rain for right now anyway. So you can see it did rain. Proof's in the pudding, as Bob Scooper would say. And the other church member added a extra thing, proofs in the pudding, but I forgot what it, there's an extended information he said. I can't, he sings in the choir. And he knows everything about Star Trek. Like Tommy knows everything about Star Wars. Tommy knew about Star Wars, Clone Wars, in 1980s, way before the movies came out. He's got over 90 subject books and videos and movies on the subject of Star Wars. Now my thing is Buck Rogers and Battlestar Galactica and Logan's Run, the movie, spin off into the TV series Logan's Run. $19.95 off windows, plus $19.95 off patio doors, plus $19.95 off the new entry doors, plus special Thank you, Jesus, for letting me have a nice birthday Tuesday and today, Wednesday, when Bob came over and stuff. It was a bag that says caution heavy. You get it, Bill? No, I don't get it. Remember Back to the Future? Doc heard some guys or teens say, "Hey, heavy," and he says, "What's wrong? Is it gravitational pull?" And oh yeah, and the planets is. He thinks it's a science thing, but it's really lingo. And then he explained to Tommy that, and Tommy showed him his room, and he said, "Hey, yeah, okay, yeah." His wife Judy sleeps sitting up too. I told Bob, if you take all that out, you wonder how it all fit in his room. Tommy's getting a new AC, and I'm going to get my first AC in this room. It'll be good. That way I don't have to use the ceiling fans no more. And everyone that wished me a happy birthday, thanks. You're all cool in my book.